Welcome back to Kingna. Today we're looking at 10 classic vehicles priced between $1,200 and $2,500. These are perfect for restoration enthusiasts, and each one comes with its own unique set of features. Let's jump right in. 1. 1977 Dodge Aspen Special Edition, 1500, located in Simpsonville, South Carolina. This Dodge Aspen Special Edition is an affordable entry into the world of classic cars. Powered by a slant 6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this car has 14,000 miles. The seller has made some updates, including a new carburetor, fuel pump, filter, and intake gasket. It runs, drives, and stops, but it's still a project car. A front caliper issue needs to be addressed after about 30 miles of driving. If you're looking for a budget-friendly project, this Aspen could be the one. 2. 1977 Ford Ranchero, $2,300, located in Lincolnton, Georgia. Here we have a Ford Ranchero, a unique blend of car and truck from the 70s. It's equipped with a 351 V8 engine and automatic transmission. While it runs well, it'll need brake work to get road ready, specifically replacing the rubber brake lines. The body has minimal rust, making this a solid candidate for restoration. With its distinct style, the Ranchero is a true classic that's hard to come by. 3. 1974 Pontiac GTO Coupe, $2,000, located in Lisbon, Iowa. This Pontiac GTO is a numbers-matching project with a 350 engine and TH350 transmission. Though it doesn't currently run, the seller notes it turns over and comes with a binder full of documentation. Rust is prevalent and the car will need extensive work. However, if you're a GTO enthusiast, this could be a great restoration project that brings a muscle car legend back to life. 4. 1978 Chevrolet Monza Wagon, $2,500, located in Georgetown, Kentucky. Looking for something a little different? This Chevy Monza Wagon might just be your next project. With 92,000 miles and a V6 engine, it's a great candidate for a hot rod or unique build. The body is in great shape, and the clean title makes it easier to get it back on the road. A fun project car with plenty of potential. 5. 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass sedan, $1,200. Located in Treon, Georgia, this 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass started life as a diesel, but it's been swapped to a 350 rocket engine. The car needs a tune-up and brake work, but it could be a great project for someone looking to restore a classic four-door. The Oldsmobile Cutlass has always been a solid platform for restoration, and at $1,200, this one offers a budget-friendly start. 6. 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, $2,450. Located in Opelika, Alabama, the 1964 Corvair Monza is an iconic car known for its rear-engine design and distinct styling. This one comes with a 4-speed manual transmission and is described as a solid car with minor rust. The windows are in good shape, and the seller had plans to restore it but never got around to it. If you've been searching for a Corvair, this could be the right one to revive. 7. 1966 Cadillac, set of 3, $666 each, located in Knoxville, Tennessee. For Cadillac lovers, this is an unbeatable deal. The seller is offering 3 Cadillacs for a total of $5,000 and or $1,666 each. Two of the cars are white with matching turquoise interiors and are in good running condition. The third blue Cadillac is a parts vehicle with rusted floorboards. With 2 titles and 1 bill of sale included, this is a great opportunity for someone looking to restore a pair of matching classic Cadillacs. Eight 1976 Ford Granada Ghia 25500, located in Eaton, Ohio. This 1976 Ford Granada Ghia is all original except for the wheels. It has a 302 V8 engine and runs and drives, but it needs some brake work. The Granada Ghia was known for its luxury touches, making this a comfortable and stylish classic car to own. If you're into original classics, this one could be a great find. 9 1964 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, 2,500 in Clarksville, Tennessee. Next, we've got a 1964 Ford Thunderbird, a sleek coupe with 86,000 miles. It's a project car that still runs but has a dead battery and a flat tire. The Thunderbird is an American classic, known for its long, luxurious design. This one is priced to sell, and with a little love, it could be back on the road as a show-stopping cruiser. Ten 1973 Triumph Spitfire Convertible, $22,500, located in Chesterton, Indiana. Last but not least, we have a 1973 Triumph Spitfire Convertible. The seller has owned this car since 1978, and it's been sitting in a garage for the past 20 years. It's all original and was running when it was parked. This is a great opportunity for a Triumph enthusiast to bring a true British sports car back to life. And that wraps up today's list of classic cars. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great finds on Ghia.